with this engine. Look how shiny this is. Wow. Look how shiny this thing is. It's really sharp. Yeah, good. How are you?
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Shout out to this guy. He gave me a sticker. Yeah, I think he gave me a sticker. Yeah, look at that. Shout out to that guy right there. He just gave me a sticker.
It's a Mustang.
Yeah, he gave me a Mustang.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
That's very nice. Look at that. Shout out to the guy who just gave me the sticker. Right, I'll put that in my pocket. Very nice. I also got this guy over here. Oh, sorry, Grandma. Didn't see you there. We also got a mini car. I don't know why. No, why not? Very nice. We got a little mini car here. Doing drifts. That's pretty legendary, actually. Pretty legendary. I got the guy who's controlling it. Got the two guys. What do you guys think of this mini car? That's legendary. Look at that. That's legendary. Look at that. That's pretty legendary. I like that. That's pretty legendary. Shout out to these guys.